Hey guys, welcome to AlbyTV. Let's start our activity session.
Today we're going to be making some pizzas. But before we do any cooking activity, we should wash our hands with soap and warm water for 20 seconds. We're going to start making our pizza. We need bread, we have pasta sauce, we have oregano, we have garlic granules, we've got some mild cheddar cheese, you can put green peppers, onion, whatever takes your fancy. So we're going to start off with the pasta sauce. Doesn't have to look pretty, the main thing is it's you that's making it. Now myself and Charlene do like cheese. Like I say, it can get a bit messy, but don't worry about that. I won't put too much because I'm not too sure if Charlene likes oregano. So that will be it. And like I say, I do like my garlic, so I will be putting quite a lot. When putting pizza in the oven or taking it out, please get adult supervision or help from an adult. Now we're going to place our pizzas onto a baking tray. Personally, I put the pizza in for 8 minutes because I don't like it too crispy. You can put it in up to 12 minutes if you like it crispy. It's entirely up to you. Put it in the middle shelf and just wait. Now, I think pizzas are ready. They smelling very nice. So using an oven glove, I'm going to take them out. Oh, they do smell nice, I have to say. They're looking good. So I'm going to turn off the oven and leave it to cool down because the cheese can be very hot and can burn your mouth. Thank you everyone. I hope you enjoyed this session and we'll see you next time.